To news overseas, hundreds of thousands of people packed Tehran streets hoping to see the coffin of late Supreme Leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei. Details from the CNN.
This is as close as we're going to get to the casket of Iran's late Supreme Leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei, as well as several of his family members who were killed in that joint U.S.-Israeli airstrike on February 28th. As you can see, as we stand here, the atmosphere is extremely charged up. Many of the people here, and it's a big crowd, are screaming death to America, and they're vowing revenge, both against the United States as well as President Donald Trump, and of course, against Israel as well. The government has certainly brought out people in force here. They say they expect several million people to come out on the streets and to witness this, as the casket is now making its way through Tehran to then, at some point, be brought to other cities in Iran and Iraq. And today's its final resting place, the east of Iraq, in Mashhad. I'd like to CNN Tehran.